Welcome to the Healthy Site Alliance HSA Silica Control Tool. You are receiving this video as you are working with one of our builder partners. The Silica Control Tool is being used by many national builders across Australia to help them manage silica control and compliance on their sites. As a contractor on these sites, you are required to provide risk assessments and silica risk control plans to meet legislation and to ensure a safe and healthy worksite. As a contractor on these sites, you have been invited to join the HSA to use the online Silica Control Tool. This tool allows you to create a compliant silica risk assessment and control plan using the valid exposure data, removing the need for air monitoring in most cases. Using the tool is easy. Once registered, you select the sites you're working on, or create your own, and then select the silica generating tasks you will be doing on this site. You can select multiple tasks that you will be performing in a normal day. For example, if you're a tiler, you may want to add mixing, tile cutting with a grinder or saw, and maybe some housekeeping too. By selecting tasks, the platform will calculate the exposures for each task, as well as the combined exposure for all of these tasks. This will determine the uncontrolled exposure risk. Now you automatically go into the selection of controls. For each task, you will select the controls you are using, for example, on-tool extraction using a HEPA vacuum or a water suppression system. Then add administrative controls like isolation, training, monitoring, etc., and if masks are going to be available on site. With these controls selected, the tool will recalculate to show the new controlled exposures. If the combined tasks are above the exposure limit, it's easy to go back and change the controls, like reducing the time of task or moving the task to outside, etc. With a compliant risk assessment and control plan that keeps your workers under the exposure limit, you can rest easy, knowing your workers are working safely and your controls are effective, reducing the need for additional costs like air and health monitoring. Using and managing controls is the most effective way to protect your workers and your business from health and financial risks. With compliant plans from contractors, your builder can manage sites knowing effective controls are in place. Our builders have hygiene support to help them manage controls and to stay compliant. Using inbuilt messaging, they can communicate with you if issues arise. For example, when controls do not seem to be working properly, or your workers are performing tasks as per plan. The messaging is supported by HSA auditors, so they can help fix the problem and ensuring compliance stays in place. As a contractor, you too can opt in for hygiene support for your business too. This support provides you with an additional safety net that protects your business if issues arise, whether from site inspectors, worker complaints, or health claims. In your invitations to join the HSA, you should have received a unique discount code available for a limited time. Make sure you use this code when joining. If you haven't received one, let us know and we will be happy to help you. Don't worry if you get stuck. When on the platform, use the knowledge base for more info or jump into a live chat, and our team will be happy to help you or simply schedule a call to know more details. Thank you for your time today. We're looking forward to supporting you or just helping you learn more. Jump onto the platform to get started. See you soon.